Welcome to my YouTube channel. MCQ for all competitive exam. Today's topic, the PM bell in Indian polity. Here all are previous year question. We try to collect most important question. To get more video, please subscribe our channel. Of the following words in the preamble of the Constitution of India which was not inserted through the Constitution 42nd Amendment Act 1976. A. Socialist, B. Secular, C. Dignity, D. Integrity. Your answer is dignity. At the time of enactment of the Constitution, which one of the following ideals was not included in the preamble? A. Liberty, B. Equality, C. Socialist, D. Justice. Your answer is socialist. The preamble of our Constitution reads India as A. Sovereign Socialist Secular Democratic Republic, B. Sovereign Democratic Socialist Secular Republic, C. Socialist Sovereign Democratic Secular Republic, D. Democratic Sovereign Secular Socialist Republic. Answer is Sovereign Socialist Secular Democratic Republic. Which amendment of the Indian Constitution inserted the two words socialist and secular in the preamble? A. 28, B. 40, C. 42, D. 50 amendment. Your answer is 42. For which one of the following judgments of Supreme Court of India, the Kesavananda Bharati versus State of India case is considered a landmark? A. The religion cannot be mobilized for the political ends. B. Abolishing untouchability for the country. C. Right to life and liberty cannot be suspended under any circumstance. D. Basic structure of the Constitution as defined in the preamble cannot be changed. Your answer is the basic structure of the Constitution as defined in the preamble cannot be changed. In which amendment the word socialist and secular and unity and integrity of the nation were added to the preamble of Constitution of India? A. 42, B. 44, C. 52, D. None of them. Answer is 42 amendment. The ideals and objectives outlined in the preamble of the Indian Constitution have been further elaborated in A. The chapter on fundamental rights. B. Chapter on directive principle of state policy. C. Chapter on directive principle of the state policy, fundamental rights and fundamental duties. D. Nowhere else in the text of Constitution. The chapter on directive principle of state policy, fundamental right and fundamental duties. Which one of the following describe India a secular state? A. Fundamental rights, B. Preamble of the Constitution, C. Ninth Schedule, D. Directive principles. Answer is preamble to the Constitution. Which among the following is the correct expression of the term secular in India? A. India has many religions. B. Indians have religious freedom. C. To follow the religion depends upon the will of an individual. D. There is no religion of the state in India. Answer is there is no religion of the state in India. Which one of the following liberty is not embodied in the preamble to the Constitution of India? A. Liberty of thought. B. Liberty of belief. C. Liberty of express. D. Economic liberty. Answer economic liberty. What was the exact constitutional status of Indian Republic on 26 January 1950 when the constitutional was inaugurated? A. Democratic Republic. B. Sovereign Secular Democratic Republic. C. Sovereign Democratic Republic. D. Sovereign Socialist Secular Democratic Republic. Answer is Sovereign Democratic Republic. The word secularism was inserted in the preamble of Indian Constitution by 25th Amendment, 44th Amendment, 42 Amendment, 52 Amendment. Answer is 42 Amendment. Thank you watching our video.